Hi guys, this is algebraic fractions. So we're going to simplify this question here. So first thing first, I'm going to go -4, flip this. While I'm flipping, I might just simplify that a little bit further. Okay, now in here, what's this one? This is a difference of two squares. So I could actually factorize a little bit. 2x minus 2 times 2x plus 2, 15. Okay, and I can cancel something, so I'm going to use the red pen, 1 and 3, and then I can cancel that, and nothing left. So my final answer is, what I got on the top, the numerator, is a 2 left, and the bottom is a 3 and x minus 2. Okay, so that's my answer. Excellent. So next one, I'm going to do this question. Yes. Now this one I don't have to flip anything because it's already in the multiplication. All I have to do now is simplify. So I'll factorize this one. What's the highest common factor I could get? Lowest common factor here is 4. So I'm going to take the 4 out. I'm left with the 5m plus 4. And the common factor is 7m minus 1 times 7m staying 7m. 5m plus 4 stays as it is because we can't factorize further. So cancel, 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 cancel. What do I have left? 4m minus 1. Excellent. Next one. That's also don't have to flip anything. So I'm going to go 4. That's the difference of two squares. A plus b, a minus b times, what's the common factor here? 3, a plus b, and 8. Okay, so that goes out. That's 1, that's 2. All right, I think I'm done. What do I got left in numerator? 3, and denominator 2, and a minus b. Ooh, oops. It'll help if you can see it. Okay, so that's what it is. Next one. Ooh, that looks very complicated, doesn't it? But that's okay. That's not too bad. So let's have a look at this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip this first, the second part. I'm going to make it times. So make sure that denominator goes on the numerator. And then I'm going to factorize this. So that will be 3 out. Now, luckily they're all monic, so it's easy to do. What's a factor of 6? That gives a 1. I can see it's a 2 and 3. But which one's a positive? And positive goes in the middle one, negative. So when you add it together, you'll get +1. But when you times together, you get -6. So I know I got correct there. So monic again. Okay, so 12 factors of 12, that gives 1. Only thing is one pair, it will be 3 and 4. Now bigger one gets negative, positive. So to check, when you add it together you get -1. When you times together you get -12. And here again 2 and 4, and that has negative plus. So when you add it together, you get -2. When you times together, you get -8. All right, now I need to cancel things. I like it when it just cancels nicely. So on the top, it'll be 3. On the bottom, f minus 2. Beautiful. Now, next one. Solve. Let's have a look at this. Solve this. Now, what does that mean, guys? It means that times that equals 0. So one of them or both of them has to be 0. So I will go x minus 3 equals 0, or x minus 7 has to be 0 to get the whole thing 0, yeah? So therefore, x will be here, has to be 3, or x has to be 7. Okay, same thing happens here. A minus 3 equals 0, or a plus 5 equals 0. Therefore, a equals 3 or a equals minus 5. And here, same thing happens. That's that times that equals 0. So 2y equals 0 or y minus 3 equals 0. Therefore, y equals 0 or y equals 3. Excellent. Now, factorize. This is a difference of two squares. It's a special factorization one. So I'm just going to write it in terms of square expression. And then I'll put it into a minus 4. And this one is the same. P squared minus 5 squared. So it'll be p plus 5, p minus 5. And here, exactly same thing. Square x squared. So difference of square is 2 squares is plus x. 10 minus x. Excellent. Well done.